The benefits of natural light within a home have been well documented, and Velux Skylights are such a great way to let that light in.
And today we're going to show you how to install the Velux flat roofed fixed skylight, and the same principles apply for the opening model.
We've used Velux Skylights in all our renovations.
And with this build being new, we've had the opportunity to lay out our rafters according to where we wanted to position our skylights.
Just going to put a screw from the inside out to mark out where the skylight will be positioned on the roof. As you can see, our screws have come through from the inside out. Now we can mark out our cut. Now the roof sheets have all been cut out, we're going to turn up the end of the corrugation to weather the sheets.
Some installers will often rely on the metal upstand to support the skylight, but what we're doing is using this timber hob. Now that's going to offer really good structural integrity and carry our skylights, but also offer really good thermal insulation. When you're using multiple skylights, it's really important that you make sure that they stay really straight. So what we've done is we've pinned down our two outside corners, and now we're going to use this 3.6 metre straight edge to make sure we get the tops of these dead straight. Now our timber hobs are fully fixed down, it's time to install our flashings, and where possible, it's always a great idea to tuck that flashing up underneath the ridge cap. Use the corrugated press tight underneath your flashings, and that will prevent any driving rain. Our flashings are now complete, and we've dropped the skylight on the hob. All it's left to do now is fix it in place.
With a little bit of gyprock and a lot of paint, our light shaft is complete.
For more information about turning the inside of your light shaft into an architectural feature, check out our other videos.